Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm
And
fine. Thank you.
Okay, nice. I will start first. On this occasion, I want to tell you about drone technology use and application for commercial, industrial, and military drones in 2021 and the future. Whether you call them unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, miniature pilotless aircraft, or flying mini robots, drones are rapidly growing in popularity. They are still in the infancy stage in terms of mass adoption and usage, but drones have already broken through rigid traditional barriers in industry which otherwise seemed impenetrable by similar technological innovation. Over the past few years, unmanned aircraft have become central to the function of various business and governmental organizations and have managed to pierce through areas where certain industries were either stagnant or lagging behind. From quick deliveries at Rushmore to scanning an uncrackable military base, drone features are proving to be extremely beneficial in places where man cannot reach or is unable to perform in a timely and efficient manner. Increasing work efficiency and productivity, decreasing workload and production costs, improving accuracy, refining service and customer relations, and resolving security issues on a vast scale are a few of the top used drones of industry global. Adoption of drone technology across industry leapt from the fad stage to the mega trend stage fairly quickly as more and more business started to realize its potential, scope, and scale of global reach. Wherever these unmanned aircraft are controlled by a remote or accessed via a smartphone app, they possess the capability of reaching the most remote areas with little to no manpower needed and require the least amount of effort, time, and energy. This is one of the biggest reasons why they are being adopted worldwide, especially by these four sectors: military, commercial, personal, and future technology. Drone technology history and today uses. Drones have been around for more than 2 decades, but their roots date back to World War One when both the US and France worked on developing automatic, unmanned airplanes, but the last few years have been significant in terms of drone adoption, usage expansion across industry, and global awareness. From technically managing sensitive military area to luring hobbies throughout the world, drone technology has developed and prospered in the last few years. Individuals, commercial entities, and government have come to realize that drones have multiple use features, which include aerial photography for journalism and film, 2. Express shipping and delivery, 3. Gathering information or supplying essential for disaster management, 4. Thermal sensor drones for research and rescue operation, geographic mapping of inaccessible terrain and location, building safety inspection, precision crop monitoring, unmanned cargo transport, law enforcement and border control surveillance, storm tracking and forecasting hurricanes and tornado. Development of hundreds of more users of drones are underway due to the multiple investment pouring into this promising industry every day. Military drone technology. Military usage of drones has become the primary use in today's world. Used as target decoys for combat mission, research and development, for supervision, drones have been part and parcel of the military forces worldwide. According to data from GlobeNewswire, the globally military drone market size is projected to reach to 23.78 billion by 2027. Military spending also tends to come in larger increments as a single US Predator drone costs approximately 4 million US dollar. Unmanned aerial vehicles will continue to be applied in various military operations due to their high convenience in reducing losses and enabling the execution of high-profile and time-sensitive missions. Commercial drone technology. Commercial usage of drone is gaining steady momentum and has become the talk of the horn as multiple industries are working with drones as part of their daily regular business function. The drone service market size is expected to grow from 4.4 billion US dollar in 2018 to 63.6 US billion by 2025. And Insider Intelligence predicts consumer drone shipment will hit to 29 million by the end of 2021. The commercial drone industry is still young, but it has begun to see some consolidation and major investment from industrial conglomerates, chip companies, IT consulting firms, and major defense contractors. For now, the industry leaders are still a handful of early-stage manufacturers in Europe, Asia, and North America. As it becomes cheaper to customize commercial drones, the door will be opened to allow new functionality in a wide array of niche specs. Sophisticated drones could soon be doing everyday tasks like fertilizing crop fields on an automated basis, monitoring traffic incidents, surveying hard-to-reach places, or even delivering pizza. At the end of the day, the impact of commercial drones could be $82 billion and a 100 job boost to the US economy by 2025, according to UVSA. Personal drone technology. As the sales of the civilian drones rise, the safety concerns surrounding them among regulators and law enforcement agencies also tend to go up, seeing the pace of drone collision with airplanes and crashes into crowd stadiums. According to Pili by Air, at the end of 2019, there were recreational operators registered and estimates 1.332 million recreational drones in the United States. Insider Intelligence expects sales of drones to top 12 billion in 2021, and no small amount of that will come from the sale of personal drones used for filmmaking, recording, still photography, and gaming by common tech-savvy enthusiasts. Consumer will, however, spend 17 billion on drones over the next few years. Drones come in all shapes and size, from small and in as a single rotor device to large $100 plus quadcopters with GPS, multiple camera arrays, and first-person control. While primarily aimed at hobby, these types of devices are widely available and the market is growing. Future Future drone technology. Here is the breakdown of the technology generation. Generation 1 basic remote control aircraft of all forms. Generation 2 static design, fixed camera mount, video recording and still photos, manual piloting control. Generation 3 static design, 2-axis gimbals, HD video, basic safety model, assisted piloting. Generation 4 transformative design, 3-axis gimbal, HD video or higher value instrumentation, improved safety modes, autopilot modes. Generation 5 transformation design, 4K video or higher value instrumentation, intelligent piloting modes. Generation 6 commercial suitability, safety and regulatory standards based design, platform and pilot adaptability. Generation 7 complete commercial suitability, fully compliant safety and regulatory standard based design. The next generation of drones, Generation 7, is already underway as 3D Robotics announced the world's first all-in-one smart drone and called Solo. Smart drone with built-in safeguard and compliance tech, smart accurate sensor, and self-monitoring are the next big revolution in drone technology that will provide new opportunity in transport, military, logistic, and commercial sector. As this technology continue to evolve and grow, drones will become safer and more dependable. This will allow for their subsequent mass adoption, provide the strict US FAA legislation surrounding drone technology and usage is lessened to some degree. I think this is my end of presentation. Will be continued by Rahayu or Sinta.
Rahayu. Sinta.
Okay, hello all.
Halo.
On this occasion, I want to tell you about REST API. What is REST API? Is designed to take advantage of exciting protocols. While REST can be used over nearly any protocol, it usually takes advantage of HTTP when used for web APIs. This means that developers do not need to install library or additional software in order to take advantage of a REST API design. REST API design was defined by Roy Fielding, doctorate dissertation. It is notable for its incredible layer of flexibility. Since science data is not tied to methods and research, REST has the ability to handle multiple types of calls, return different data formats, and even change structurally with the correct implementation of hypermedia. The freedom and flexibility inherent in REST API design allow you to build an API that meets your needs while also meeting the needs of very deserved customers. Unlike SOAP, REST is not constrained to XML, but instead can return XML, JSON, or any the format depending on what the client requests. And unlike RPC, users are not required to know procedures, names of or specific parameters in a specific order. However, there are drawbacks to REST API design. You can be lost the ability to maintain state in REST, such as within sessions, and it can be more difficult for new developers to use. It's also important to understand what makes the REST API RESTful and why this constraint exists before building your API. After all, if you do not understand why something is designed in the manner it is, it can hinder you without even realizing it. Understanding REST API design. While most APIs claim to be RESTful, they fall short of the requirements and constraints asserted by Dr. Felding. There are 6 key constraints to REST API design to be aware of when deciding whether this is right API type for your project. Client server. The client server constraint works on two concepts that the client and the server should be separate from each other and allowed to evolve individually and independently. In other words, I should be able to make changes to my mobile application without impacting either the data structure or the database design on the server. At the same time, I should be able to modify the database or make changes to my server application without impacting to mobile client. This creates a separation of concepts, letting each application grow and scale independently of the other and allowing your organization to grow quickly and efficiently. Stateless. REST API are stateless, meaning that calls can be made independently of one another, and each call contains all the of data necessary to complete itself successfully. A REST API should not rely on data being stored on the server or session to determine what to do with a call, but rather solely rely on the data that is provided in that call itself. Identifying information is not being stored on the server when making calls. Instead, each call has the necessary data in itself, such as the API key. access token, user ID. This also helps increase the API's reliability by having all of the data necessary to make the call, instead of relying on series of calls with server state to create an object, which may result in partial files. Instead, in order to reduce memory requirements and keep your application as scalable as possible, a RESTful API requires that any state is stored on the client, not on the server. Change, because a stateless API can increase request overhead by handling large loads of incoming and outbound calls. A REST API should be designed to encrypt the storage of changeable data. This means that when the data is changeable, the response should indicate that the data can be stored up to certain time. In cases where that data needs to be real-time, that the response should be changed by the client. By enabling this critical with the tools necessary to provide the fastest and most efficient apps possible. Keep in mind that checking is done on the client side, while you may be able to check some data within your architecture to perform overall performance. The intent is to instruct the client on how it should process and whether or not the client can store the data temporarily. Uniform interface. The, the, key, the key to the decoupling client from server is having a uniform that allow independent evolution of the application without having the application service model action decoupled to the API layers itself. The uniform interface lets the client talk to the server in a single language independent of the architectural backend of either. This interface should provide an unchanging, standardized means of communicating between the client and the server, such as setting HTTP with URL resource CRUD and JSON. Layer system. As the name implies, a layer system is a system comprised of layers, with each layer having a specific functional and responsibility. If we think of a model view controller framework, each layer has its own responsibility, with the models comprising how the data should be performed. The controller focusing on the incoming action and the view focusing on the output. Each layer is supported but also interacts with the other. In REST API design, the same principle holds true, with different layers of the architecture working together to build a hierarchy that helps create a more scalable and modular application. CAD on demand. Perhaps the last known of the six constraints and the only optional constraint. CAD on demand allows for code or applets to be transmitted via the API for use within the application. In essence, it creates smart application that is no longer solely dependent on its own code structure. However, perhaps because it's ahead of its time, Code on Demand has struggled for adoption as Web API is a consumed across multiple languages, and the transmission of code raises security questions and concerns. For example, the directory would have to be writable, and the firewall would have to let what may normally be restricted content through. Together, these constraints make up the theory of reciprocational state transfer, or REST. As you look back through this, you can see how each successive constraint builds on top of the previous, eventually creating a rather complex but powerful and flexible application program interface. But most Importantly, these constraints make up design that operates similarly to how we access pages in our browser on the World Wide Web. It creates an API that is not dictated by its architecture, but by the but the representation that it returns an API that, while architecturally stateless, relies on the representation to dictate the application state. Okay, that's enough for me. Next, Sinta.
Okay, hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
I will tell you about 5 key to success to prevent yourself for being a failure. Reaching success has become the goal of everyone in work or a career. Success is synonym with the condition of someone being prosperous in a stable position and having power. Everyone is always um, obsessed and want to achieve in position. Success is also used a measure of the success of the human journey. Although of although of course the measure of success to each person is different. So that interpreting success is not the same definition of success. In the sense of the big Indonesia Directory or KBBI, success means success and luck. KBBI calls success is a condition where other people like to learn about imitate this condition. So it can be interpreted that success is condition uh, of prosperity in life, and many people always want to achieve. The key to success: to reach a position of success, the path that must be followed is not easy. People always face obstacle and the temptation to get to the that position. We also needed to realize that success is not always about money and position, but also about relationship, achievement, dreams, and progress in a field. So, how to achieve success? This action, this question often artist is a search to many people. Actually, it is not difficult as long as we know uh, the key to success. What are the key to success? First, determination. It takes a strong will and great intention or reach the highest point the one life attainment. There is a strong will to work without stopping. Even if there are failures, obstacles, difficulties along the way. It takes a long time to achieve success, so we need determination to focus on achieve it. Even though we have achieved success, that determination must live on to maintain the success we have achieved. True determination lasts not only to our years, but decide even to be for life. This is one it takes to reach the best position in one life. Skills always skills always together with determination. No skill appear intentionally without going to bad things. Because by passing test or trial, we will be more honed and adaptable in any condition. Skills such as communication, management, evaluation, appearing in front of people, and negotiating are acquired with contextually hard abilities. Moreover, competition is greeting thing, so skill need to be updated and developed in order to able to compete. The more people have, the more skill, the opportunities for success are also more open. 3. Passion. Not everyone has the desire to pursue and career passion or building a business. Passion or desire it was makes us want to continue to get maximum result. Even passion is able to maintain or plan goals and motivation of success. With passion, we are able to survive even if we face a problem or obstacle in achieving a success. So the key to success is having a passion. So don't give up easily under any circumstance. For discipline, another key to success is discipline. Discipline shapes a person's personal character to work in the system and comply with applicable regulation. If we are accustomed to discipline, then we will not easily procrastinate. This is very important to accelerate our success. If we are accustomed to discipline, our automatic time management is also very good. Keep in mind, time is most valuable things we make to able to buy anything, but time is not. So the success we achieve is very determined by what we are doing today. Five, persistence. The failure we get while chasing success will not stop us. This condition is called persistence, resilience, and goals to not give up easily. Many people fail because they don't finish what they start. For that, we need persistence to keep pursuing when what we want to achieve. To have this persistence, we must dare to strive and work hard because it's almost impossible to achieve persistence without hard training. Characteristic of success people: optimist, creative, tongueness, be able to control yourself, able to control emotion, now to be outgoing and have many relationship, hardworking, crisis insane to as the opportunity. Here are here are the characteristic of people falling. Don't like ideas, miss of opportunity to live and better life, often undermines the other people, don't want to apologize, saying life as competition and wanting to life always wins, negative attitude and thinking. Thank you. Uh,
No, thank you. Uh, let's just end the meeting this time. See you next time.
See you.
See you.